Hello, my name is Ananda, and one of my friends asked me about the praise workshop that I give in our laughing yoga workshops. Okay, I find out that after laughing yoga, you are in the perfect mode to do the praise workshop. And I'm going to start telling you why. Because in laughing yoga, we get rid of the stress of the body and get rid of the ego from the mind. So when you are in that state, you are in the perfect mode to praise with our words. Praise is like water for the plants. Praise is focusing on the good and the beauty things that we perceive with our eyes, with everything. So the workshop is like this. Let's suppose that there are 50 persons in the room. You are the facilitator. So maybe facilitator is not the word, but anyway, the leader. Okay, you are the leader. And you are in charge of making two teams, 25 and 25. So the most easy way to do two groups of 25 is put them in a circle and then ask them to count themselves one and then two, and then one and then two, and then one and then two, etc. After counting one and two, all the 50 persons, you make the first circle with all the persons that has number one. So right now you have a circle of 25 persons. And then you ask the rest, the persons that has the number two, to put themselves in the second circle just in front of the first circle. So you have two circles, one and then the other. Got it? You just ask them to be in front of someone. It doesn't matter who person is in front. It doesn't matter. So the instructions for you as a leader are the following. You tell them that right now we're going to do a praise workshop. And praise is focusing on the beauty and good things that you perceive in the person that is in front of you. Sometimes when we grow up, we don't receive enough praise words from our father or mother or family or friends, etc. So this workshop is like the best, I'm not joking, the best self-esteem workshop you have ever been. So the only requirement to really enjoy this workshop is to allow yourself to talk from what you feel, not from what you think. You just have to talk from this, from your heart. Got it? And the first circle that is going to praise is the outside circle. It's going to praise to the person that is inside. Got it? And you ask them to be like 1 meter separation. So the instruction for the person that will receive the praise is just allow to feel. The only word that you can talk inside or outside, is thank you. You are not allowed to talk more than thank you, because if you start praising, by example, let's suppose that the person in the inner circle is receiving the praise and start saying, "Oh, yes, I praise to you too because I like you, you are my friend." No, 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 no. That is going away from the main purpose of this workshop, is to learn to receive. The inner circle, the circle that will receive the praise, is training the receiving, the allowing to receive. Sometimes we have this habit of always giving, giving, giving. My father, my mother, the family, my conditioned mind is trained to give. But when it's time to receive? Right now, in this workshop. So if you receive this praise and you start crying, don't do this. Don't cry, don't cry. No, don't do that. Allow feelings to come. Allow love to arise. Allow any feeling that you feel, allow it. The only purpose of the inner circle is to allow to feel, and be silent. Don't talk. At the end, you can hug. You can say thank you, and at the same time, hugging to this person that have just praised you. Got it? That is the instruction for the inner circle. The instruction for the outside circle is just to talk from the heart, from what you feel, not what you think. And let God guide your words. And I say God, but if you don't believe in God, say it however you want to say it. Let love to talk through you. That's the only thing. And because we have just made the laughing yoga exercise for 1 hour, we are just, como decimos en México, estás como agua para chocolate. In English, it's like you are in the perfect mode to start praising. That is como agua para chocolate. So, that's the, no, 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 important. You as as a leader, you have to see and scan all the persons that are making the workshop, the praise workshop, because you are in charge of saying next. When you say the word next, the persons that are outside in the circle outside will mm, will step to the right. When they step to the right is in order to start praising to a new person, the person that is just in the right. And you have to be very, very aware of how the group is. Because by example, let's say that you are watching that someone is crying. When when he or she is receiving the praise, she's crying. In those moments, what I do is allow more time, because they are having a therapy right there. They are receiving the most wonderful gift, that is praise. So I allow more minutes in those cases. By in the contrary, let's suppose that I see that all the group have just praise and they are start like distracting. That is a perfect time to say next. When you say next, you ask the outside circle to go to the right. Okay? And after stepping 25 times, all the outside circle prays to the inner circle. Let's suppose that you have 1 hour, extra hour to the workshop praise, you have enough time to do all the circle. And after the outside circle, praise, all the inner circle, it's time to change. The inner circle start talking, and the outside circle start shooting up their mouths, closing their mouths, start listening, start feeling. So the inner circle start praising the outside circle. And when the inner circle start praising the outside circle, it's time to do the same. You decide when to say next. When you say next, the outside circle will keep going to the right. So the only change is that the inner circle is the one that talks, that prays, but the rest remain exactly the same. If you have a question, let me know in the comments, okay? Or send me a WhatsApp if you have it. See you in the next video.